Welcome to Social Marketing Express. This powerful product is designed to help you achieve your social media goals. This product will help you build fans, find customers, and engage with the community. Let's explore what this mighty tool has to offer. Once you arrive in the product, you are on the overview page. This is where you can see everything social at a glance. We've identified important features that matter most and are able to help you get through your social tasks as efficiently as possible. First, you can click to view your upcoming scheduled posts. By clicking View More, you'll be taken to the Scheduled Post tab where you can see more details. In the Express version of the product, you can schedule up to 20 posts at one time. The second aspect is your top performing posts. See the reach and engagement of your Facebook and Google My Business posts and click View More to access more in-depth post analytics. The third aspect of the overview page is customer posts. In order to view and respond to your comments your eager fans are leaving on your posts, you'll need to upgrade to the Pro version of this product. At the top of the page, you can click to connect your accounts. In Social Marketing Express, you are able to connect Facebook and Google My Business accounts. There are two ways to compose a post from the overview page. You can click Compose at the top bar, or you can click on the floating red button in the corner. This button stays in the corner of every page of the product, making it easy to post whenever creativity strikes. Let's do that now. When you open the Composer, you can start by selecting your desired networks, either both Facebook and Google My Business or just one. Now you're ready to start composing your post. Write your post in the text box, adding any emojis and links as necessary. Want more engagement on your posts? Add some media. Upload a photo or video and use an image or GIF from our media library. The last step, choosing when you want to post. You can choose between immediately or in the future. Remember, with the Express version, you can schedule up to 20 posts at one time. Once one of those scheduled posts is published, you will be able to schedule another one. Not quite done? Easily save this post as a draft. Now that we know how to post, let's check out the other amazing features in the Express edition of this powerful product. The first section of tabs in the left menu is all about your posts. Let's click the Recent Posts tab. Here, you can see your most recent posts made to your connected social accounts, whether you've posted them through the product or not. You can see at a glance how your posts are performing, view that post on a network, or delete it. You can also choose to switch between viewing your posts in a list format or in a card format. The next tab is Scheduled Posts. This is where you can see up to 20 upcoming posts and make any changes to them before they are published. The Calendar tab is a great way to view your posts, both scheduled and recently posted. It can also be a great place to plan your upcoming social posts. Notice a gap in posting? Simply click the date to pop open the Composer. Remember earlier when we saved our social posts as a draft? You can easily find it in the Drafts tab. Click to continue editing or delete the post entirely. The next tabs available in the Express product are all about getting a better understanding of how your posts and accounts are doing. Under the Insights tab, we will see the Overview tab. This will give you a high-level look on how your Facebook audience is doing. The other Insight tab available in this Express product is Post Performance. Here you can get a very detailed view on how your posts are performing both Facebook and Google My Business. You can look at both networks together or toggle between the networks to get network-specific reporting. The final tab is Settings. Connect Accounts. This is where you can connect your accounts or review your current connections. Want to post to more than Facebook and Google My Business? Upgrade to Pro and unlock networks such as Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. There you have it. Now it's time to get to work and start posting.